Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to bring you Meridian stretching. It's a combination of Qigong with soft stretches to keep your body supple and loose and help you become more fluid with your Kung Fu. But before we get there, I need you to click the boxes to subscribe and like, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Remember to train hard. Have a great day.
Meridian stretching. This was a program developed by my Sifu Grandmaster Wing Chun. It's designed to balance the internal energy in the body. This routine will help keep you limber. It is not going to make you overly flexible, but as you age, it's a very simple way to stay limber. It's a meditation. We focus on our breath work to help develop the internal energy. And what I'll do is there will be program materials attached with this. If you download them, we'll go organ by organ and how it benefits the body for each stretch. As you're doing these stretches, just a 60% stretch, focus on the breathing. Make the whole aspect very, very meditative. Once again, this is going to be Grandmaster Chung's Meridian stretching. There's a total of 20 exercises. You can do the whole program once. You can break it down into upper or lower body. I like to take one day a week and do each one of the stretches 3 times. You can get through it. It'll take a good hour to get through it. But again, if you do each one, hold it for 20 seconds, you can get through the whole program in less than 15 minutes. Okay, exercise number 1 is just simple. It's an ankle rotation. This really helps warm all the 12 meridians in the legs. You have 6 on each side. Coming up on the toe, and we're just going to rotate 20 times. Try and make the circles nice and big. And now go back the other way. This is also good to start to loosen up your gluteals and your hamstrings aside from the calves. Opposite side. And the opposite way. Remember to keep the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth and just focus on your breathing. Exercise number 1, ankle rotation. Exercise number 2, we're going to do the calf stretch. So you can do this just in the air. You can utilize a chair. You can utilize a wall, something to go against. Remember, tip of the tongue's on the roof of the mouth. I'm going to use this for support. Kick my leg back. My back leg is locked. Front knee is bent. Tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. And here I'm just going to lean forward. I'm not arching back. There's one straight line up the spine for the back trunk meridian. And here we're just going to hold this for 20 seconds. Focus on your breathing, nice and slow and deep, and relax into the stretch. And then just simply switch sides. And that's the calf stretch. Exercise 3, the hamstring stretch. You're just going to take one stride forward. Toe is up, and you're just going to gently lean forward here, keeping your back erect, straight, not bent over. Back is straight. Okay, you can keep your hands on your quads or place them on your back, tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. And as you feel it in the gastrocs and the hamstrings, that's where you're going to stop. Like I said, a 60% stretch, and we're just going to hold this for 20 seconds. Opposite side. And relax. Upper back stretch number 1. Wall, if you have a dummy home, a chair is nice and simple. You're gonna bend. Feet are just about shoulder width. You wanna bend keeping the back straight. Use this for support. Head is up. Here, tip of the tongue is on the roof of the mouth, and I gently lean forward and down at this angle, and I'm gonna hold this for 20 seconds. And up. Upper back stretch number 2 is in 3 parts. It's a floor exercise. So I drop down. I'm going to start left or right arm, doesn't matter. I'm going to lean out, left hand on the floor, right hand in the crook of the elbow. I'm going to take my forehead and place it on the forearm, and I'm going to just stretch out the upper back, and I'm going to hold here for 20 seconds. Switch sides, remember to breathe nice and slow and deep. And the third part, both arms out, forehead on the floor. And relax.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.